Hey, what's going on, guys? It's me, Hypezone, here, back with another video. So in today's video I have these here to unbox. So as you saw, you could see the Just Do It tape. So pretty much what these are is last week, I think it was, last week, I'm pretty sure. What do you call it? There was 3 sets of shoes that dropped, and there was like a pair of Jordans and stuff like that, and they were like the I think they were called like the Guava Ice series or something like that. Not like series, but like they all had like Guava Ice in them, like in the name. I'm not really sure what that means, but I liked these shoes. I got them for resale. They were on the snkrs app. Unfortunately, these were the most underrated ones, but the resale on them was still pretty good. I entered the drawing for all 3 shoes, but I was only chosen for these ones. So, but I'm still pretty grateful that I got them, and they have already sold as well. I sold them on Grailed for $260, I think, something like that, and I got them for $150. So and after taxes and everything, I think it was about $80 to $70 profit around there. So yeah, but yeah, I'm pretty excited to unbox these. I think I got them in a size 9 in US men's, if I remember correctly. So yeah, but without further ado, let's get into unboxing them. Alright, so here we got the package. Let me back up a little bit so you guys can get the full perspective here. So I have my Swiss Army knife here, because for some reason I lost all of my other box cutters, and for some, it's pretty fun. Like, I don't know if it's a problem, but it's pretty fun to just like take like the blade like in and out like this. I don't know why. It's just like a fidget, I guess. But I've actually cut myself a lot with like accidentally, not purposely, but like right here on like my middle finger. You can kind of see it. I got like a little cut there a while ago. It's still healing, but yeah, but it's fine. So, but I'm gonna start opening this up now. So as I said in the beginning, these have already sold. I sold them on Grailed, and they take like a lot of fees. It was like after PayPal and Grailed fees and everything, like they took like $30 to $40 away from my profit. So that kind of sucked. Oh, and sorry also too, if like I kind of sound congested. I'm sick right now. I have a cold, not COVID or anything like that, but I have a cold right now, so that kind of sucks. But yeah, so I did unfortunately unbox these upside down, so I'm gonna have to flip them over. So here is the box. Let me put the box down, nothing else left in there. So yeah, so here is the box here. Here it is. Has a little bit of scuff marks and stuff on it, which, I mean, it's okay, but you know, I mean, I would have preferred it not to, but you know, it's just the box. As long as the shoes are okay, it's alright. I actually really like this box though. I like the colorways on it. I like how the yellow and the blue go together. It's really nice. So yeah, you have the some arms or hands here. I think those might be Michael Jordan's arms, because these are Jordans. So yeah, but if I'm wrong about that, you know, I'm sorry. But on the bottom here, and also on the side here, it has the Jordan logo, and it says Union. So these, I forgot I think the exact model of these were Jordan 92 Zoom Union Guava Ices, I think. I remember that because I list all my stuff on like a lot of places, so I have to remember the title, so that's how I remember it. But yeah, so I'm gonna open these up now. Or actually, before I do, let me just give you a nice perspective of the box. I'll give you a nice 360. So here you go. And yeah, here's the size tag. So yes, I did get them in a size 9. And then you have the holder over here to put your finger in. And then you guys probably saw this from the beginning, but here is the bottom. So we have this here, just kind of like legal stuff. And then we have here, which says swoosh air sole Jumpman. And then I think this little symbol right here means that it's recyclable or something like that. So yeah, but now I'll open them up. So it's probably going to be covered with paper, so yeah, there we go. Oh wow, this is actually cool, pretty cool paper. Here's the inside of the box though, it's just blue, nothing special. But I'll put this down over here. So this is actually pretty cool paper we got here. I thought it would just be like normal white paper. Oh, and then it's covered with more paper. Okay. So here we go, and there they are. Okay. So these are actually pretty nice. Wow, these actually have a lot of detail on them. Okay. So I'll bring the camera up now for you guys. These are actually really cool though. These are actually like super nice. So yeah, so here they are. We have the here's the inside, the insole, or not the insole, just like the inside of the shoe. Like if you're wearing them like this is the inside. So yeah, this is the inside, but then on the outside, there's a lot more detail here. Let me actually turn off the light, you guys can probably see it better. Yeah. So we have where is it? What does this say? Yeah, Zoom Air on the side over here, and then it says UN/LA, which I think means Union, Los Angeles. So yeah, and then on the back you have a number 9, and then you have a nice like kind of suede on the toe box up here. I'm not gonna crease it. I don't even think. Yeah, actually these might be creasable, but I'm not gonna. Obviously, I won't do that. And then here's the top of it. The toe box actually, or not the tongue. It's kind of like a mesh, I guess you could call it. And then the Jumpman here is kind of like a rubber. And then you have the laces, and the laces kind of have like little. It's gonna probably be hard to see. Yeah, you guys can actually see it pretty well. They have like little gray dots on them. I'm gonna guess that that's just for like design. And then you have the inside here, which has a red Jumpman. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So this is the left shoe. I'll get out the right shoe to show you guys, so you guys can get a side-by-side comparison of them. And also pull out that piece of paper, the first piece of paper that they were wrapped in, to show you guys. So yeah, so then here's the second one. So the numbers here are kind of like curved in, I guess. So you can see on the back here. Or actually, wait, that was my bad. There we go. Now they're better. So they both go like what do you call it? Like inwards, I guess. It's kind of, you guys can kind of pretty much see it though. Yeah, you guys see what I mean. So yeah, they have like the 9 on the back with the triangle, and yeah, and then also on the sole there, it says it's hard to see, but on the back there it says Air. So yeah, but these are actually pretty cool though. I expected them to look a little bit different in person, but overall pretty much what I expected them to be. Honestly, I wouldn't want these for personal. They're nice material, but I'm not a huge fan of the design. I'm doing something. What? It's 3 o'clock. I know. Yes. No, I did not. Just go away. But I do like the material of these. They are pretty nice. Yeah, they obviously are a higher quality shoe, because I mean they weren't that expensive. 150. Usually like Jordan 1s go for like maybe like usually around 170 retail. So yeah, but yeah, these are pretty nice. Definitely. Oh, I also forgot to show you the soles. There you go. They have so it says Zoom. It's very hard to see, but across the bottom there it says Zoom, and then you have Nike Air, and then the Jumpman right there. So yeah, these probably would be very comfortable to walk in, but as I said, I would not want these for personal, to be honest. I would have rather had the what do you call it, The Jordan Union 4s, those would have been a lot nicer in my opinion. Well, not nicer, but they probably would have been the same quality, or maybe higher, because they were a little bit more expensive, but they are Jordans, so yeah. But I don't know, I like the design better on the Union 4s better than these, but overall, yeah, I like these, but I'm happy that I'm selling them, that they are going to go to someone that will enjoy them. So yeah, but that's pretty much it though. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Also, follow my Instagram down in the description, because as you can see, I'm redoing my shelves back here. I still have a lot more to go. I'm posting 3 items a night, and then you guys get to vote on my Instagram story of what do you call it, of like what item you want to go on what shelf. So yeah, but that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah, today's video was kind of interesting. You don't really see a lot of shoe videos on my channel, but yeah, but that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you do enjoy my content. Like the video if you did enjoy this video. Turn on post notifications if you did subscribe and you want to get notified of whenever I upload a new video, and comment down below if you have any questions or comments or anything like that. I usually reply to all comments, so if you really do have a question, post it down below and I probably will respond to it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.